Our flower farms are unique because they're 100% sustainable and off-grid and take advantage of the existing environment to facilitate scalable urban farm development. Our farm system is intentionally designed to harmonize with the free sources of natural energy entering the site, with a major focus on harnessing the power of the rain and sun. We divert and capture rainwater from the rooftops of adjacent buildings and store it in a system of recycled IBC totes. This rainwater runoff could have contributed to the storm sewer overflow environmental disaster impacting so many cities. Instead, it's being put to productive use and is the only source of irrigation that we use on our farms.
In order to move the water from the totes to the flower beds, we use freely available energy from the sun by placing solar panels on our shed and running the power to an electric pump. This use of solar power prevents us from having an electric bill from the local power company and reduces demand on the electric grid. By using rainwater and solar power, we eliminated the two biggest ongoing operating costs in farming: water and power. This reduces the cost to operate our farms and allows us to put more money into the pockets of our youth.
We farm in a way that is beyond organic and beyond sustainable. By employing a variety of regenerative agriculture practices, we are able to simultaneously improve soil health and crop production year over year. This makes us more resilient in the face of climate change and expands our capacity to sequester carbon from the atmosphere. The increase in vitality and biodiversity on our land is to the benefit of everyone. When it comes to protecting and preserving fragile pollinator communities, we take a more direct and hands-on approach. Our flower farms partner with colonies of busy honeybees, and as we provide food, water, and shelter for these threatened honeybee populations, they provide the benefit of fresh, local, raw honey.
By supporting Southside Blooms, it helps us to expand this integrated sustainable growing model in an industry that is notoriously wasteful and unsustainable. Most commercial flower farms use heavy pesticides and monocropping practices that severely degrades the earth. Southside Blooms is responsibly grown and aids in the recovery and stimulation of natural ecosystems.
Support Southside Blooms today and help us to make off-grid regenerative agriculture the norm and not the exception.